Good evening, all. Today, our school is celebrated International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm and participation from students and teachers alike. Today morning, the class starts with the pranayama. The celebration began with a warm welcome speech by our teacher Ritu Syriac, who expressed the significance of yoga. Followed by our talented student Gayatri Keshaji delivered a compelling talk on the importance of yoga. Gayatri's insightful speech reminded everyone of the transformative power of yoga. The highlight of the evening was the performance of Surya Namaskara by our dedicated yoga club members. Overall, the celebration of International Yoga Day at our school was a resounding success. That's all about today's news.